The following is a class on Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 7, Text number 7, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 22nd February, 1974 in Bombay.
Matta paratarang nyanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya Mai sarvamidang prutam sutramani ganaiva. So, the material and spiritual world, everything is manifestation of two energies. That is explained by Krishna. Bhumirapo nalo vayu khangmano buddhirevacha aparayam itastu vidhi me prakriting para. And these verses we have discussed today, that etat jonini sarvani, whatever is manifested, material or spiritual, both of them are coming from the energy of the Supreme. Just as heat and light. These are two energies of the fire. So, that is also explained in the Vishnu Puran. Parasya brahmana shakti sarvedam akhilam jagat. Ekusthane sitashagne josna vistarina jatha. Parasya brahmana shakti sarvedam akhilam jagat. Sarvedam akhilam jagat or sarvedam khulu brahma. The Vedic injunction. The energy and the energetic cannot be separated. If there is no energy, there is no meaning of the energetic. And there is no meaning of energetic if he has no energy. So those things are simultaneously present. The example, as we have given several times, that the sun and the sunshine and the heat of the sun, they are always present. Wherever there is sun, there is light and there is heat. So, heat and light is the understanding of the presence of sun. Sometimes sun is covered, but still we experience heat and light. Therefore, we understand the sun is there. Similarly, Krishna or God is there. You have to understand by the energies, the material energy and the spiritual energy. That is already explained in two verses. So now Krishna is summarizing in this verse, because the whole manifestation, Sarvedam Akhilam Jagat, the whole universe is presentation of the energy of the Lord. Therefore, there is nothing but Lord. Matta paratarang nanyat. In this material world, we have got experience. The sun is the cause of all material manifestation. When the sunlight or sun heat, just as in Western countries, in this season, the sunlight and heat is practically not present. There will be snowfall, there is no folio in the trees, every tree is deserted due to the sun. And as soon as from the month of April, the sunshine will be little more increased, at once the leaves will come out. In the Western world, this experience anywhere, the sun is the cause of everything, all this material world. So you can say that in this material world, there is nothing superior energy than the sun. Similarly, this is also a creation of God, the sunshine. It is stated in the Brahma Samhita. Jatchakshuresha savita sakala grahanam. Savita means sun. Jatchakshuresha savita sakala grahanam. Raja samasta suramurti asesha teja. Jashagraya bhravati sang bhritakala chakro govindamadi purusam tamahang bhaja. Even the sun, which is the supreme cause of this material world, of this universe, all the planets, they are rotating on account of heat of the sun. If the sun moves little this side or that side, everything will be blazing fire or frozen into ice. This is scientific truth. So as the sun is the supreme cause of this material world, similarly the supreme cause of, there are many millions of universes and millions of suns. They are all caused by the supreme energy of Krishna. Bhumi rapa analo vayu and aparayam itastu viddhime prakritim para. Two prakritis. Para prakriti and apara prakriti. So the Vedanta Sutra, that Janmadasya Jataha, the original source of everything, Brahma, that is Krishna. Therefore Krishna says, Matta Paratarang Nanya. Brahma is not supreme. Then Krishna would have said, not Brahma is the supreme, but he says Matta Parataram Nanya. Brahma is the bodily effulgence of Krishna. Jasya Prabha Prabhavatu Jagadanna Koti. Brahma is not the supreme cause. Brahmana Ahang Pratishtha. Brahma is existing on Krishna. Therefore Krishna says, Krishna has the right to say, Matta Parataram Nanya. There is no more superior cause. And the Brahma Samhita, Lord Brahma also says, Sarva Karana Karanam. Ishara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha. Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. So it is not that Krishna is saying only. It is accepted by the supreme Vedic authority, Lord Brahma. Ishara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha. Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. The Vedanta Sutra also says, Janmadasya Jataha Annayat. The Bhagavata explains, Janmadasya Jataha Annayat Itaratascha Arthishu Avijñā Sarat. He is Avijñā. He knows everything. Janmadasya Jataha. That is Krishna. And Arjuna accepted. Arjuna said in the 10th chapter, Sarvamaitam ritang manne jadvadasi kes. My dear Krishna, whatever you are saying, I accept in toto. This is understanding of Bhagavad Gita. Try to understand Bhagavad Gita as it is. Krishna says, Matta Paratarang Nanya. There is no more superior being or superior authority than me. If you accept that there is no more superior authority or supreme being than Krishna, then you study Bhagavad Gita. And if you cut the head and the tail and accept something and reject something, that is not Bhagavad Gita. Take it as it is. Therefore you are presenting Bhagavad Gita as it is. Not carteling this or that. This meaning is that meaning is that. No such nonsense. We accept this is Krishna consciousness movement. Krishna says that he is the supreme authority. We are preaching Krishna is the supreme authority. Where is the difficulty? We don't manufacture anything. We don't say I am the supreme authority. No. I am rascal. I am fool. I am imperfect. But Krishna is supreme. Krishna is perfect. That is our preaching. A servant of Krishna. Therefore, because we are presenting Krishna as he is, therefore our preaching is perfect. I may be imperfect, but our preaching is not imperfect. It is very simple. We are preaching all over the world. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. And these foreign boys and girls who are after me, they also accept. They do not say that here is another God, sir. Why you are asking? That is the difficulty in India. As soon as we shall say Krishna is the Supreme Lord, there is no more superior person than Krishna, others will say, no, why? This gentleman is not superior than Krishna. That is the difficulty. They will not accept. Their brain has been full with hodgepodge thing, therefore they cannot take Krishna consciousness. So, of course, at heart in India, everyone feels for Krishna, but they have been educated in such a wrong way, they cannot accept Krishna as the Supreme, as Krishna says, Matta Parataranga Nana. This is the difficulty. But unless you accept, unless you come to this point that Krishna is the Supreme, your education, your knowledge and everything is imperfect. Therefore Krishna says, Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mang prabaddhat Vasudeva sarvamiti sa mahatma sudullava. If you don't accept in this life, but if you are sincere to understand what is God, then we will have to wait for many other lives. Life after life you have to struggle. And then, by the grace of Krishna, if you come in touch with the devotee of Krishna, then you will understand what is Krishna. That is the beginning, teaching of Krishna. Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddha. Manusyanam sahasreshu. Out of many, many millions of persons, one is trying to make his life perfect. Everyone, mostly 99.9%, they are blind. Andha jathandhai rupaniyamana. They are being led by blind men. They are blind and they are led by blind men. Nate vidu sarthagating hi Vishnu. They do not know that the ultimate goal of life to understand Vishnu or Krishna and go back to him. That is the goal of life. Taktadi hang punarjanma naiti. That is being taught in the Bhagavad Gita. This is the goal of life. But they are misled. They are captivated by this material energy. That will be explained in this chapter also. Trivi gunamayi bhavai mohita navijanati mame paramabhyam. They have been bewildered by the three modes of material nature. They are not trying to understand Krishna. They are not trying to follow the instruction of Krishna. Therefore they are in difficulty. The whole trouble is due to this ignorance. Therefore there is great necessity for broadcasting this Krishna consciousness movement. There is great necessity. So this business was entrusted by Lord Chaitanya, started this movement. Actually Krishna started this movement 5,000 years ago and taught this subject matter to Arjuna in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. But unfortunate as we are, we could not take up the mission of Krishna. The mission of Krishna was Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata tadatmanam srijamaha. As soon as there is discrepancy in the matter of discharging a religious principle, means the laws of God. Dharman tu sakshat bhagavat pranit. Religion means the laws of God. Religion does not mean I have manufactured some religion, he has manufactured some religion, he has manufactured some religion, and another man is, yes, all religions are right, jatomat tatopat. No, that is nonsense. Religion is one. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam. This is religion. Kick out all sorts of religious principles. Simply surrender to God or Krishna. Savai pungsang parvo dharma jato bhakti radhaka. This is confirmed. That is first class religion which teaches how to surrender to God and how to become a lover of God. That is religion. Otherwise, they are simply cheating religion. That is explained in the Bhagavatam. Dharma projita koitava tra parama ninmatsaranam satang vastava vastu veda. Dharma projita, cheating type of religion, is kicked out from this Srimad Bhagavatam. Projita. Prakristi rupena ujjita. And Siddhartha Swami gives his comments. Atra mokkhavancha api nirastam. Anyone, any type of religion, just as the Mayavadi philosophy, they are trying to have moksha, to merge into the existence of the Supreme. But Bhagavat says, no, that is also cheating. Dharma, artha, kam, moksha, chaturvarga. The world, first of all, they do not know what is religion. But the actually life, perfection of life begins from religion, dharma, then artha. Then, following the religious principle, you acquire money, artha. Artha is required, but not sinfully, but properly. Dharma, artha, kama. Then you have got senses. You require to satisfy the senses. So artha required for sense gratification, but that artha must be based on religion. This is called dharma, artha and kama. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Then when one actually becomes wise, he is no more attracted by sense gratification. Rather he desires a greater type of sense gratification, namely he wants to become God, to merge into the existence of God. So that is also cheating. You cannot become God. That prapaddati. Vasudeva sarvamiti sa Mahatma Sudeva. That is Mahatma. One who has surrendered to Krishna, understanding that Krishna is the cause of all causes. Krishna is the source of material energy and spiritual energy, as it is explained here. And therefore, Krishna is the supreme. And Krishna confirms this fact. Matta paratanandanya kinchijasti dhananya. This is required. This is required. We have to accept this. Krishna says this. And Arjuna, who heard Bhagavad Gita from Krishna, he says, Parabrahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram Paramam Bhavan. Purusham Adyam. Adyam. You are the original person. You are the original Purusham Adyam in the Bhagavad. The Adyam, therefore Krishna says, Matta Paratanam Nanyat. This is all confirmed. The audience, I mean to say, Arjuna, is accepting and Krishna is confirming. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita is perfect. Otherwise, where is the authority of Bhagavad Gita? If we do not accept the author or the speaker of the Bhagavad Gita, and if we do not accept the student of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna, then where is the study of Bhagavad Gita? It is something nonsense. You have to accept it, the version of Bhagavad Gita as it is stated by Krishna, and you have to accept the version of Arjuna as it is admitted by Krishna, then you are perfect in Bhagavad Gita. Otherwise you have simply wasted your time. Vasudevi Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojita Janayati Asu Vairagam Jnananchadat Ahitakam Dharmasyanusthita Pungsa Vishakshena Katha Sujat Notpadayat Rating Jadi Sramaeva Hi Kevalam. This is the version of Srimad Bhagavatam. Sramaeva Hi Kevalam. Simply laboring, simply uselessly laboring. If you do not awaken your Krishna consciousness by studying the Vedas, by studying Bhagavad Gita, by studying Bhagavad. Simply Bhagavad Gita. This is the essence of all Vedic literature. Although it is ABCD, beginning of spiritual life, spiritual understanding, unfortunately people do not understand even the ABCD of this Bhagavad Gita. And what to speak of becoming graduate and postgraduate. This is the difficulty. If we try to understand Bhagavad Gita as it is, at least we understand what is Krishna, what is God. God is explaining himself. And we are searching after God, making search. There are so many institutions. In Oxford University, there is a big research department. And here God is canvassing, he is explaining. There was a great controversy. What is that, Professor?
Sir Alexander Hardy.
Huh?
Oh, Zehner. Professor Zehner.
Professor Zehner. So I invited him, so he did not dare to come before us. So there was another professor, what is that? Sir
Alistair Hardy.
Sir Alistair Hardy. He came, he admitted, he is making research. So these things are going on. Why research? Everything is there in the Bhagavad Gita. Everything is explained and commented by so many great stalwart, it's a commentator, especially Siddhar Swami, Ramanujacharya, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Baladev Vidyabhushan, so many great scholars, they have commented upon Bhagavad Gita. So try to understand Bhagavad Gita as it is. That is the real necessity of life. That we have explained several times. This human form of life. Narottam Das Thakur says that Hari Hari Bifale Janama Goain. My dear Lord Hari, I have simply spoiled my life. Bifale Janama, Hari Hari Bifale Janama Goain. I have wasted my time. Why? Manusya janama paiya Radha Krishna na bhojiya janiya suniya besu khain. I got this nice human form of body, especially for worshipping Radha and Krishna, but I have not done that. Therefore, willingly I have drunk poison. Janiya suniya besu khain. Golokera Premodhana Harinama Sankirtana. The Sankirtan movement is not manufactured in this material world. It is released from Vaikuntha, the spiritual world. Golokera Premodhana. Otherwise, why you are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna? It is not material sound. Any material sound, you chant thrice, you will be tired. But you go on chanting Hare Krishna mantra 24 hours, you will never be tired. Therefore, it is not a sound of this material world. It is the sound of the spiritual world. Golokera Premodhana, Harinama Sankirtana. Rotina janimila kanota. I am not attracted to this. This is the lamentation of Narottam Das Thakur Vaishnava. Bishaya Vishanale Divaneshi Hiya Jale. In this material existence, this eating, sleeping, mating and defending, with this business, always my heart is burning. Bishaya Vishanale Divanishi Hiya Jale. Toribare na koinu pai. I did not make any means to get out of this. Golokera Premadhana. Therefore, indirectly he is giving hint that human life is meant for worshipping Radha Krishna and chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This is the subject matter of Krishna consciousness movement. To understand that Krishna is the supreme. Matta paratanang nanya kinchidasti dhananjaya. Here Arjuna is addressed as Dhananjaya. Dhananjaya means the richest man who has conquered over wealth. In other sense, only Dhananjaya, a person who has conquered over wealth, he can understand that Krishna is the supreme personality of God. Dhananjaya, Arjuna's another name is Dhananjaya, because after battle of Kurukshetra there was no money. So by the order of Maharaj Yudhishthira, he brought from the Himalaya range a great quantity of gold so that he could expend them for performing Ashwamedh Yajna, Rajsya Yajna. So therefore from that person this title was given by Maharaj Yudhishthira to Arjuna, Dhananjaya. So, Mai sarvamidang prutam. The example is very nice. Mai sarvamidang prutam sutre mani ganaiva. Just like pearls. The pearls, take it, pearl is round. And the universes are also round. So, all these universes are staying. Matsani sarvabhutani. Krishna said, Matsani sarvabhutani nahang teshu avasthita. So everything is resting on Krishna. In another place he says that I am sustaining all these planets. Of course we understand law of gravitation according to our theory, but actually according to Vedic description, the Sankarshan is sustaining all these planets. So anyway, it is to be understood. Just like all the planets are floating in the air in weightlessness. How this weightlessness come? That is explained here. Mai, it is resting on me, Krishna says. Mai sarvavidang prutam sutre mani ganaiva. So he is the ultimate cause. He is the cause of all causes. Sarva karana karanam. Parama, Ishara, the supreme controller. In this way you have to understand Krishna. Then our life will be successful. Because this human life is meant for understanding Krishna. Vedaishta sadvai ahameva vedyam. This is the real knowledge. Unless you come to this real knowledge, your life is unsuccessful. Therefore Krishna says, Bahunam janmanamant. Those who will not accept me in one life, he has to wait for many, many lives, but to come to this conclusion that Vasudeva Sarvamiti, Sa Mahatma. If you actually want to become Mahatma, then you have to come to this point that Vasudeva Sarvamiti. That is Mahatma. Mahatma does not mean by simply changing this dress. Mahatma means who understands Krishna. He is Mahatma because his soul is increased in dimension to understand Krishna. Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sama Mahatma Nastamang Prartha Daivi Prakriti Masrita. As soon as you become Mahatma, then you are no longer under the control of this material nature. That is also confirmed. Mami vaja pravadanti mayame tahang taranti. Devidji sagunamai mama maya duratte. Otherwise, you have to remain under the clutches of Maya and punished by him. Krishna bhuliya ji vibhog vancha kare. Pasete Maya tare japotiya dhare. These are simple Bengali poetries by Vaishnavas. That as soon as you desire to enjoy your senses, that enjoyment of senses will not give you happiness. That is our practical experience. Anybody, call anybody who is engaged in sense gratification, ask him, are you happy? He will never say. We are practically saying, these Europeans and Americans, they have enough sense gratification. Sense gratification means money and all that. So they have got enough of it. Why they are after me rejecting this? Because sense gratification will never give you satisfaction. That is false satisfaction. Real satisfaction is when you satisfy Krishna. That is satisfaction. Krishnendriya tripti vancha dhare prem na. Atmendriya tripti vancha tar naam kam. When you want to satisfy your senses, then you are under the clutches of calm, lust. But the same endeavor, when you want to satisfy the senses of Krishna, that is called prem or bhakti. So Krishna is personally teaching. Why he said satisfy Krishna? Because there is no more greater authority than Krishna. We are trying to serve here greater authority. Every one of us. We are going to office, we are going to party meeting, we are going to be elected president. So what is that? That I assure that I shall satisfy your senses. You want this, I shall give you. Please elect me. Everyone is trying to satisfy the senses. Either of oneself, he is giving false promise. Actually, he wants to satisfy his own senses. As soon as he becomes minister, he will satisfy his own senses. But he is getting elected by promising to satisfy your senses. But the sense gratification is going on, but there is chaos because the point is missing. There is no activity for satisfying senses of Krishna. That is the defect of the modern civilization. Therefore one should learn that you are satisfying the senses of others. Try to satisfy the senses of Krishna, because there is no more greater authority than Krishna. We are satisfying the sense of greater authority, that's all. On my senses. Because my senses are also greater authority. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha, Matsarya. These are very strongly dictated me. Do this. I don't want to do this. My conscience is beating. But my calm by lust is forcing me. So this is my position. See, in this position I will never be satisfied. If you understand that Krishna is the supreme authority and my only duty is to satisfy Krishna, then your life will be successful. Thank you very much.